Everyone, welcome back. In this video, I upgraded my Python guess the number game by adding a smart computer opponent, time tracking, and real-time difficulty logic, where you can see now you versus computer challenge. Both will try to guess the number between 1 to 100. Whoever finds it first wins. So let's guess the number. So I can guess 50. You can see now your guess is too low, and computer guess 75, and computer also guess is too high, and both attempt are 6 left. So again I can guess 60. You can see now your guess is too low and computer guess 67. So it's computer guess is too high and both attempt left are 5. So again I can guess 65. And here you can see now you win. You guessed it right before the computer and you took time 142.7 second to guess the number. Basically this is our project. Whoever finds the number first who wins. Before starting the code, if you not watch my previous guess the number project, you can go and check it out. And let's get start coding to create this amazing Python mini project guess the number game. So first we need to importing some modules, or you can say that importing like some libraries. So I can use import random and import time. Basically import random helps because our game generate a random secret number between range 1 and 100, and this import time module helps us measure how long the player takes to guess the number, making the game more fun and interactive. And after that we need to create a welcoming message section. So we can write welcome message section. So here we can simply print welcome to the guess the number game. And again we can print well you versus computer. And again we can print both will try to guess the secret number between 1 to 100. And simply again we can print whoever finds it first wins. And here I can add some emojis. You can add according to your own choice to make our Python project more interactive. And here we can use /n and simply run to check our welcoming message will be printed successfully. And after that we need to set up game variables. So we can use again secret number and simply use your random dot random and simply pass your 1 to range 100. And we can use attempts 7. Basically this secret number computer secretly picks a random number between 1 to range 100, and both the user and computer get 7 chances to find the number. So we can use attempt is equal to 7. And after that we need to create variable and pass here 1, and again we can create high and pass here 100. This defines the computer search range. It will use a binary search strategy to guess the number. So I can use this, and after that we need to create start the timer section. So here we can start the timer section we can create. So simply uh, use start dot time. We can use time dot time. Basically this returns the current time in seconds, since the epoch and fractions of second may be present if the system clocks provide them. Basically we store the time current time in this start dot time underscore time section. After that we need to create our main game logic here. So we can use while, and we can use attempt greater than 0. Basically this while attempts continues the game until the attempts become 0. And after that we need to create user guess section. So we can use guess and pass your input and simply write here your guess. Again I can use some emoji here. It asks the user to enter a number and convert it into an integer. And after that we need to create input validation. So we can create if guess less than 1 or guess greater than 100. then simply print invalid and simply print in invalid enter number between 1 to 100 and simply use continue. And again, I can use your emoji for better look. And if user enter the, number between above this range, then it's print invalid enter number between 1 to 100. And after that, check if user wins or not. So we can write a logic for it. So I can use if guess is equal to secret number and simply print. Uh, we can use end time and use time dot time. And again, we can use your total time. And we can use your round and simply end time minus. We can use your minus start time. Basically, you can see now rounds a number to a given precision in this is decimal integer. The return value is an integer if an integer is omitted. Basically, if user is equal to secret number, then it's match, and we record ending time, and we can simply minus it with start time, so we can find it the actual total time, and simply print the actual time that users can take to guess the number. And after that, we need to simply print your you when you guess it correctly before the computer. And again, we can simply print using a string you took and simply pass your total time, so we can print our total time, how much take user can take to find the number, and simply print seconds to get, and simply use break to terminate the program. And again, I can use some emojis so better look. And we can use again elif if guess less than secret number, then simply print your guess is too low, and simply use low, and we can use guess plus one. And again, we can use else, and simply your guess is two, remove this and write high. And again, we can use yes minus one. Basically, if the user guess is too low, then update the value of low guess plus one. And if the if user enter the number is too high, then update the value of high. And here we can use your guess. Again, I can copy the emoji and paste here, so better look. And after that, we need to create a logic for computer guess. So for computer guess, we need to write computer guess and simply use low plus high, and simply print here using a string computer guesses, and simply pass here our computer guess. What the error is, so here we can can't use is equal to, so use it. Basically, this using this is a binary search strategy. The computer always gets the number between the midpoint, and this makes the computer very smart and efficient. And after that, after creating that, we need to create a check if computer wins or not, so we can write a code for that logic. So again, I can use your computer guess, and again we can use your computer guess is equal to secret number, then simply print simply print your computer wins it guessed the number before you. Basically, if computer hits the exact number, then our game is over and the computer wins. So we can use, if computer wins, then we can use break to terminate the code. And after that, we need to use elif, and simply use computer guess less than or equal to secret number, then simply print mm, computer guess is too low. Again here computer guess, and again we can use the elif and simply print what's the error, simply print computer guess too high. We can use else here, and again we can use your high computer guess minus one. And here I can forget online low is equal to computer guess plus. Basically, computer adjusts its guessing window exactly like user, but faster because it uses binary search strategy. And after that, we need to reduce them after each round. So here I can add some emojis first, and after that, we need to create a logic for reduce attempt after each wrong attempt. So we can use your attempts minus. So we can use your shorthand operator, and we can use your minus and simply print using a string attempt left, and simply pass your attempts, and we can use your slash n for next line. And after that, so game after that we need to create game over conditions. So if attempt becomes 0, then simply print here game over, and simply pass here no body guessed the number, and we can reveal secret number. So we can go here and reveal for secret number. We can pass here secret number. Now let's check our code is run or not. So here you can see now, welcome to guess the number game, you versus computer. Both will try to guess the secret number between 1 to 100. Whoever finds it first wins. So let's first, I need to enter incorrect input so we can check your invalid enter number between 10 and 1 to. So again, we can use your 50, your guess is too high. So I can, again, we can 30, your guess is too low. So I can use your 45, and compute, your guess is too high. So I can use your 35. Your guess is too high. Again, you can use your 33. And you guess is 33. You win. You guessed it correctly before the computer, and you took 44.32 seconds to guess the number. That's it for today Python game. Here you can learn how to build user versus computer game, and timer for user performance, and attempt based game loop, input validation, and game logic. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool amazing Python project. Thank you for watching.